Birds are amazing. Let's learn how they fly, sing, build nests, and live all around us.
Look up high, what do you see? Birds are singing in the tree. Let's listen close and sing along to the birds with their happy song. Chirp, 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 a little sparrow up on the wire, singing a song that never tires. Tweet, 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 a robin song is sweet and clear, singing happily for all to hear. Coo, 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 a gentle dove so calm and bright, sings a song to the morning light. Squawk, 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 a parrot with colors bold, singing stories bright and bold. Tweet, 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 a canary song soft and sweet, dancing on wings with happy feet. So many birds singing their tune, chasing the stars and flying to the moon.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time.